So the division one's next. Compound assignment with augmented division. The / equal operator divides the variable by another number. My var equals my var divided by 5. We'll divide my var by 5. This can be written as my var / equals 5. Convert the assignment for A, B, and C to use the / equals operator. So it wants you to do basically the same. So A equals 48, B equals 108, C equals 33. Only change code below this line. So you get rid of that and you put the / here. Oops. So now this basically means A equals A divided by 12, which is 48 divided by 12. B equals B divided by 4, which is 108 divided by 4. C equals C divided by C equals C divided by 11, which is 32 divided by 11. The only thing to note is with the divide one, if you had, for example, let's do it here. For example, if you had A equals 12 divided by A, you wouldn't be able to use the same logic as this, which is A equals A divided by 12, right? Would you? Because A, 48 divided by 12 is not the same as 12 divided by 48. So this is the only one where you would have to ensure the way you position, the type of question, I should say, the type of division you're doing. You won't be able to use this sign in all cases, because if you have your question in this sort of format, you wouldn't be able to use this sign, because you can't do this as that. So that's a good thing to note when you're doing division. But let's check if this works. Yep, okay. Let's move along.